What would you do if you only have 12 summers with your dog? Dino and Ruby's mom has taken them to numerous European countries to create delightful memories together. From the picturesque landscape of Switzerland to the historic landmarks of Germany, Dino and Ruby's mom captures every beautiful moment they share in each country. Dino and Ruby's eyes sparkle with excitement, reflecting the joy they feel as they embark on their next adventure together. Behind Ruby's infectious smile lies the story of her challenging start in life as a young puppy. She was found homeless and alone on the streets. Luckily, she was adopted by her loving and caring mother, who gave her a forever home. After Ruby met her long-lost brother Dino, their hearts connected and an unbreakable bond formed between them. Ruby's new home provided her with all the love and care she needed, and she flourished in the warm environment. With the boundless love and attention from their devoted parents, Dino and Ruby's future holds countless exciting adventures and unforgettable journeys. Your support means the world to us, so if you love this story, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching. See ya.